Live service obviously continues to work as Mother Nature has intended it for millennia. So that's still an option. I think it really comes down to productivity, genetic selection, what the goals and the purposes of the producers moving forward. So if they're looking for a trait that is specific genetically to whether it's increased milk production or increased fertility to have more multiple babies, there's different selection traits that in that process that can be used and evaluated and selected for. So if we were just simply left to natural services, we would limit the ability of how quickly we could progress through that. We're not in the dairy cow industry, but maybe we'll jump to that for just a second. As we're trying to produce more with less in animal agriculture. So there's a situation where if we have the capacity in our world to feed X number of animals, and we have X plus number of people in the world that we need to take care of, one of the ways we can do more with less is through that genetic selection process. A lot of these dairy bulls are actually quite mean. And so it's one way for human safety, or right along those same lines, of being able to use those really high quality genetics, but be able to do it in a more safe manner. And then it's also safety for the animals, different sizes in males and females and those kind of things. So learning what those even cross genetics can bring to us. There are some other less popular breeds that we use throughout the country. There's some Southwest goats that are just known for maternal traits and being able to have trouble-free kidding and things of that nature. And so now they're starting to migrate into some of the other areas that we're working with. And so as folks are able to start to see that value and how that crossbreeding genetics can improve production. Back to how do we do more with less? It's opportunity cost. So if you have the same genetics, again, all things equal, and you have the opportunity for artificial insemination, yes, you're paying for a service to get the semen deposited in the uterus, so that's the opportunity. So the opportunity cost to do the insemination versus the opportunity cost of feed, care, health issues, maintenance on facilities, all those type of things. So there is a trade-off there. Dollar for dollar, it's a little hard to say. It's just the opportunity in that.